Let's put it on record. I did not use the word traitor in describing your statement that the West Philippine Sea ay kathang-isip lamang po. Let me read my post on X. I stand by the statement of President Bongbong Marcos when he said ang West Philippine Sea ay hindi kathang-isip natin lamang. Ito ay atin, ito ay mananatiling atin hanggang nag-aalab ang diwa ng ating minamahal na bansang Pilipinas.
Sinabi ko ba na katang-isip ang West Philippine Sea?
I said I stand by the statement of the President. I did not mention you said it, sir.
Meron kang katang-isip na sinabi dyan eh. To whom are you referring that?
No, sir. The kathang-isip phrase was the President's statement during his SONA.
We need the international community to recognize a part of our own. Yun lang po ang punto doon, Mr. Commodore. So kung hindi pa po nakatala, tama po ako, hindi ba?
No, sir.
You are inconsistent.
No, sir. I did not say that you're correct. I will not agree that you are correct. West Philippine Sea is our exclusive economic zone. Mr. Chair, Honorable Marcoleta, sir, I think I'm no under obligation to tell all the social media influencers, to bloggers, defend your name, tell them that you are not a traitor. Again, I did not mention that you are a traitor. Those words did not come from me. Why would I go to the extent of defending you and you are running for Senate? I might as well be interpreted as running for supporting somebody for public office.
So when did you come to know about this?
I only came to know about it when Congressman Marcoleta called me gago and mangmang in one of his interviews. In his interview last February 10, huwag tayong magpagago at magpaka-ignorante katulad ng Commodore na yan.
So,
Because, Mr. Chair, the only time I learned about that was when I heard about your interview calling me gago and mangmang. Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago? As a commissioned officer of the Philippine Coast Guard, being a spokesperson, calling me mangmang, not knowing what I'm saying. Mr. Chair, again sir, kung bakit ko po hindi binawi ay dahil nalaman ko lamang po itong balita na ito na nag-spread siya nung nagpa-interview po kayo na ginagago niyo po ako.